Well, hello. Hello. Welcome to a short week, Monday through Wednesday, the 12th through the 15th. These assignments are under October 12th through the 15th. If you look, you will see a YouTube one here on tree cookies, how's trees grow. There's a PDF on the tree growth that I want you to look at. How trees that grow the rings. There's a section of the tree section right here. I believe it's spelled with one extra I, but oh well. And then tree stories. I would like you to look at that. And I'd like you to look at tree notes. So the tree notes are very important to know and understand. They are important as far as the structure of the tree. What we're going to do is I'm going to have you draw a picture with just a blank piece of paper and draw the picture. You can color it and show this. Show this along with labeling the parts of the tree trunk itself. All of these have a different function, and a lot of these functions are in the notes, so you know what they are. I want you to see this so that you understand how a tree grows and what it involves. So make sure you look at all of these so that you can see and learn about that. Then we have tree growth. I will show you that. Right here, it shows how the tree, all the different parts where it's born. So here's the center of the tree. This is when it's small. And then the tree grows by adding rings to the outside, right? So if you can picture that, and as it goes, these are the newer rings of growth of the tree. So here is the last ring that has formed. This is the first ring from when it was very young. As it gets older, this center, the heartwood, gets hard and becomes like a solid pole to hold the tree up, if you want to think of that. And as it goes out. So here there are a few different words kind of showing the differences in the rings and what possibly could have occurred because of what the rings look like. And you can take a look at that. And if we go back to here, we have the tree notes. And the tree notes, we have different words with their definitions and what it is. You can look at the pictures and you can figure out where these parts are and how the roots are anchor of the tree in the soil. That's their job. Everything has a job. Roots also store large amounts of energy in the ground, especially in the wintertime, so that in the spring the tree can start up again. Absorption of minerals and water, and conduction, the transport of water of the minerals up into the tree stem for the growth. Then we have the leaf itself, and this shows the parts of the leaf and what each one is. You can take a look at that. And here are some things that alternate types of leaves, opposite leaves. You can see this on trees outside of your house. And here are knots in the wood. If you ever wondered why boards had knots in the wood, they're actually where the branches were of the trees. Okay, and here's some other facts about trees here that I'd like you to read and know. So please study these notes well. Okay, study them well. We're going to go on to the rest of these. I'm also, for in class, we're going to be looking at growth rings on these tree cookies, but they're much larger than they show on here, actually, some of them. and we're going to be practicing counting rings of the trees. So, as you work on these things this week, just know afterwards, just understand what they're talking about in these YouTube videos, and take a look at the tree growth and the tree trunk selection. I do want this trunk selection to be drawn and labeled and colored, and then you can send a picture to me. That will be one of the assignments, will be this one right here. And then the tree notes, please study those so that you understand what those are. I will be adding another video during the week as well. Okay, well, that's it for now. So hopefully you have a good week and a good weekend right now. This is Friday. This is October 9th. I don't have a mask on. No one's in the room. I have the door locked, so I'm talking without the mask. Okay, take care, and if you have questions, let me know. Thank you.